Hi guys, so the question is deletion sort. As lol coding is playing a game on an array A of n positive integer during each turn. If A is non-decreasing, the game ends. Otherwise, as lol coding can choose any single element and remove it from the array. Okay. Determine the minimum possible number of elements that can be remaining in the array after the game ends. Okay. So yeah, I mean this is the question. What we have to do, we have to output the minimum possible number of elements that left once the array is sorted. Okay, and how it will be sorted? If a is non-decreasing, the game ends. Otherwise, we can choose any single element and remove it from the array. Okay, so let's try the code. I hope it's properly visible. Yeah, so let's declare a vector int array A of size n. Come on. Okay, then what we are going to do? Let's use a for loop. It's okay. Then bool. What should I name it? True. Worked like short is equal to assign it true. Then for loop. I plus plus, then okay, in this what we are going to do, I should be sorted. Yeah, if a at index I is greater than a at index I plus 1, then what we are going to do, assign sorted to false and stop the array. Okay, I mean loop. Then after it, what we are going to do, if sorted cout if sorted cout n, else output what? Cout output 1. Okay. Let's run the code. Okay. Yeah. It compiled successfully. Now let's execute the code. Let's enter the threads cases. 1 2 1 1 after 7 1 1 2. So yeah guys, it's correct, it's working fine. That's it. Thank you for watching.